Hello, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Magre-review tayo ngayon guys ng isang unit. This is the ENC Glock 45 gas blowback pistol. And shoutout po kay Sir Morris of Cebu. Sir, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. This is your unit, the Glock 45 ENC or the EC 1305. Yan. Comes with free gas, Pop Dyno number 12. This is the standard power green gas. And also comes with 4,000 shots, 0.23 grams, 5.95 millimeter airsoft BBs. Okay. And this is the unit. Comes with the owner's manual, ENC. Ayan. Okay, the unit, Glock 45. Ayan. Okay, with the may mga factory oil pa siya. So, this is the markings, the serrations. So, as you can see, serrated front and rear. With the markings, Glock 45 Austria 9x19. So this one is the Gen 5. Okay, on the other side naman yan yung markings Glock. Okay, with the Picatinny rail for flashlight accessories. And also meron din siyang thread, yung kanyang barrel may thread for suppressor tracer units. Yan, ka-install. Yan. The sight, standard sight of Glock, and just a sticker. Yan, this one is Gen 5, and markings on the grip. So ambidextrous slide stop, magkabilaan po yan, ambidextrous slide stop. And Glock 45. The magazine is just like on the magazine of the Glock 17. Okay. So, it's like Glock 19X, yung Glock 45. Now. Yan. Okay. And, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga kasama. So, wala na. Only silica gel. Okay. So, yun po. Wala siyang kasamang backstrap for the Glock 45. Okay, you can remove this one, sir. Yeah, this is just a sticker po. Okay, ayan. Glock 45 Gen 5. Okay, again, shout out kay Sir Morris. Okay. So now we're gonna test this one for we're gonna test the chronograph or the EPS. Let's put some gas muna. Okay? So bali naligyan na rin po ng oil. So yan, as you can see, may mga oil na po yung o-ring. So, ang lalagyan nyo po ng silicone oil, yung bulb, dalawang bulb yan. You can remove the mag base, the base plate. You can remove that by pushing down the spring. Ito. Yan. Okay, so ito pong screw, hinigpitan na rin namin pati yung bulb. Okay, then nilagyan na rin namin siya ng oil. Okay. So, lagyan natin siya ng gas. So, sa pag-refill o refill ng gas po ay 3 to 5 seconds po. 1, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Okay. And, this one is 24 rounder capacity. Double stock. So, mas maganda kung wag nyo na lang isagad sa 24 para yung spring hindi agad lumambot. Okay, let's put some 4 VVs muna or 4 shots para sa chronograph testing. So, titingnan natin kung ilang EPS ang Glock 45. But before that, yan, pakita ko lang sa inyo, sir, yung unit. Okay, so yan po, may mga oil lang po yan. And Glock 45. This one is metal slide polymer frame. So, mostly sa Glock, ganun talaga. All Glocks naman ganun. Yan. It's a tactical pistol, compact design. Yan. Ganda. Glock 45 Gen 5 by ENC. Yan. Okay, yan yung markings. This one is engraved. So, naka-engrave siya. And the other side. Ayan. Okay. So, chronograph testing tayo. Okay, chronograph testing. Check natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, again, this is the Glock 45 Gen 5 by ENC. Ayan. Glock 45. Okay, testing. Firing. 303.4. Ayan, pakita lang natin sa screen. 303.4. Okay, then zoom lang natin para kitang-kita. Yan, okay. One more. 298.1. 303.0. And 292.5. Okay. And then, nag-open chamber na siya. Dahil only 4 shots yung ating nilagay na bala. Okay? So, just remove the magazine by pressing the mag release. Yan. And then, pull back the slide. Pull back nyo yung slide para bumaba yung slide stop. Okay? Ayan. Then, release. Hammer down. Okay? So, shoot pa tayo. Lagyan pa natin siya ng BBs. 2, 4, 6, 8. So, 8. Okay. So, again, shout out kay Sir Morris of Cebu. So, let's do some shoots. Okay, shooting test of Glock 45 by ENC. Okay. Testing. Firing. Okay. Pusin lang natin yung bala. Okay, open chamber. Okay, release the magazine. Pull back the slide. And hammer down. Okay, Sir Morris, okay na po ang inyong unit. Again, this is the Glock 45 by ENC. Gas blowback airsoft pistol. So, kung may question po regarding sa inyong unit, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop, or contact kami sa aming mga contact numbers. Okay, thank you sir and have a nice day.